Hello and welcome to Brandy's Poetry Corner. Today's comic poem, I've got up to D, is by Roald Dahl. There are a couple in here, but I have picked A Hand in the Bird because it mentions vicars. Being an ordained person myself, it's important. So, A Hand in the Bird by Roald Dahl. I am a maiden who is 40, and a maiden I shall stay. And there are some who call me haughty, but I care not what they say. I was running a tombola at our church bazaar today, and doing it with gusto in my usual jolly way, when suddenly, I knew not why, there came a funny feeling of something crawling up my thigh. I nearly hit the ceiling. A mouse, I thought. How foul! How mean! How exquisitely tickly! Quite soon, I know I'm going to scream. I've got to catch it quickly. I made a grab. I caught the mouse, now right inside my knickers. A mouse, my foot. It was a hand. Great Scott, it was the vicar's. Thank you. There's quite a lot of movement in that poem, I feel. And it's always fun to rhyme vicars with knickers, in my opinion. For other poems read by me, look me up, Brandy Pearson, on YouTube. Thank you.